Welcome back to Smart Architectural Programming. Today, we're diving into a fun and practical project, building a basic music player using JavaScript. We'll walk through the process step by step, so whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, you'll find something valuable here. Let's get started. First, let's set up our HTML structure. We'll need a few essential elements: audio controls for play, pause, and skip, and a display for the current track. In this HTML, we have a div for displaying the track information, an audio element where our music will play, and 3 buttons for controlling playback. The script and style sheet are linked at the bottom. Now, let's add some basic styling to make our player look nice. We've centered the music player on the page and added some basic styling to the buttons to make them look more appealing. Next, we'll add the JavaScript to bring our music player to life. We'll handle playing, pausing, and skipping tracks. Here's what our JavaScript code does. 1. Variables. We select our HTML elements and define our track list. 2. Load track function. This function updates the audio source and track information. 3. Event listeners. We add event listeners to our buttons to handle play, pause, and skip functionalities. 4. Initial load. We load the first track when the page loads. Let's break down each part in more detail. First, we select the HTML elements we need and define our track list. The track list is an array of objects, each containing a source and a title. Next, we create the load track function. This function takes an index, sets the audio source to the corresponding track, and updates the track info display. Then, we add event listeners to our buttons. The play button loads the current track if it's not already loaded, and then plays it. The pause button pauses the audio, and the skip button loads the next track in the list and plays it. Finally, we load the first track initially when the page loads, and there you have it, a basic music player with play, pause, and skip functionalities using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I hope you enjoyed this project and learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!